Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are interested in starting a nursery or are wondering how professional growers produce high-quality plants, then this is the perfect video for you. In this video, we are going to show you how to mix the perfect medium for rooting cuttings. This mix has been tried and tested in a commercial nursery and has been perfected by professional horticulturalists, so you can trust it's a good one. Stick around until the end of the video for your copy of our infographic so you can always refer back to our notes. Let's get started. To mix the perfect rooting medium, you will need peat moss. This is the dead, decomposed remains of plant material, mainly mosses, that have accumulated over many years. Peat moss is an important additive to any growing medium because it retains water and nutrients and also improves structure. You will also need coir. This is the fiber of dehusked coconut shells. It is an organic, natural additive that can also be used in hydroponics as an organic growing medium. It is used in this mix to retain moisture. As horticulturalists, we strongly advise that you use sustainably sourced peat moss and coir. The third ingredient for your mix is vermiculite. This is a heat-expanded mineral that will aerate your medium, improve water retention and even release a small amount of nutrients into the mixture. For the best rooting medium possible, you can also add a slow-release fertilizer. There are many commercial options available. These fertilizer beads bind to the soil when they are wet. Under warm temperatures, the coat of the bead expands and slowly releases nutrients into the growing medium. This fertilizer is specifically formulated for plant plugs and will supply enough nutrients for 2 to 3 months. Lastly, you will also need a cup or any other measuring implement, and a large bucket or wheelbarrow to mix your medium. Once you have readied all of your equipment, place 2 cups of peat moss, 2 cups of coir and 1 cup of vermiculite into the bucket. This medium will therefore consist of 40% peat moss, 40% coir and 20% vermiculite. However, these materials have very little to no mineral content. This is why we have included a slow-release fertilizer in the mix. The amount you mix into your growing medium will depend on the amount of medium you need, so be sure to read the instructions before you add your fertilizer. In this case, we used roughly 2 to 3 kilograms per cubic meter. Make sure your medium is thoroughly mixed with your peat moss, vermiculite, coir and fertilizer evenly incorporated. Fill up your cutting trays with the medium. You can scoop the mixture into the middle and gently spread it outwards, filling up all the cells evenly. You can also soak the trays with a light mist before you start planting your cuttings. And there you have it, the perfect rooting medium that you can now use to fill your trays and containers. Remember to check out the description below for your infographic so you can always have this information on hand. Thanks for watching and see you next time.